ZAIGLE, a leading company in idea well-being home appliances. Worldwide patented, eco-friendly infrared electric grill, ZAIGLE is highly praised in famous home shopping channels, 6 major Korean channels, and in Japan, and currently has accumulated sales of over 5 million units. ZAIGLE enables cooking without smell, smoke, and oil splash, and has gained consumer trust through restless research and development. It has been recognized for its world-class quality through overseas quality certification, as well as various awards regarding its patents and quality. Now, ZAIGLE is ready to grow into a global brand with various models. ZAIGLE S, the export strategy model, and the Pro, which is deluxe model with the most powerful and left-right lighting system. Party Special with up and down two-way heating, the next generation of air fryer rolling cooks, and Super, the electric model. Unlike the conventional roasting method, where the meat is cooked on a heated frying pan, the upper infrared rays are used as a direct cooking heat source to cook the food from both inside and outside using a convenient temperature controller. The gravy is held, making the meat dishes softer and tastier and without oil splashes. The negative ion of infrared rays has superb antibacterial, odor removal, and lead-free effects, cooking food without burning. Due to the high thermal efficiency, the electricity cost is 10 cents per hour, and it is very safe using flame-retardant materials. Frozen fish can be cooked immediately without thawing, and all sorts of dishes are cooked easily and deliciously, including pork, sausage, chicken, various skewers, seafood, as well as toast, pizza, spaghetti, potatoes, and vegetables. All oil goes to the oil receiver, making the food very healthy and less fatty and enabling a simple cleanup. There is a person who only eats. There is a person who only cooks. No more. Now enjoy the meal together with ZAIGLE. It's not just a meal. ZAIGLE ensures a priceless time at the table. With ZAIGLE, enjoy the taste and health at once.